We keep hearing that we need to contribute to a 401k, an IRA, a Roth 401k, etc. Well, how am I supposed to do that when I'm drowning in student loans? Should I be contributing to my retirement savings or do I pay off my student loans? Well, guess what? It's possible that you can do both. The Secure 2.0 Act was passed late 2022 and it encourages Americans to save for retirement. And specifically, Section 110 caught my interest. This section is intended to help employees who are missing out on free money from the employer match programs because they need to pay their student loans. For example, your employer offers an employee contribution match of $3,000 a year. So even if you aren't able to contribute to your 401k, or you do contribute but it's not the full amount that the employer offers, Section 110 from the Secure 2.0 Act says that they can match your retirement contribution using payments that you made to your student loans. The total amount of their full match that your employer contributes depends on you. So if your employer is offering $3,000 a year, but you pay the minimum amount due on your student loans of $100 a month, then your employer will give what you give. So if you're able to pay a little extra on your student loans or contribute directly into your retirement savings account, then you can take advantage of your employer's full match and not leave any free money on the table. But even if you aren't able to pay anything extra, enroll in this program so that you can just get your employer to contribute to your retirement account by you doing something you have to do anyway. This program became effective after December 31st, 2023, and you should speak to your employer to find out what the requirements are in order to qualify. If you speak to your employer and they don't offer the student loan match program, then let them know that not only does it offer a tax advantage, but it would be a great tool to use for recruitment and retention of good employees. Because who doesn't want to work for an employer who's going to pay you for paying your student loans? There you have it, amigos. The Student Loan Match Program offers an opportunity to accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. And if you need a breakdown or an overview of some retirement plans, click on this video.